All right, little check of our forecast, everybody. If I can erase this snow showery look behind me and bring you a few days of 60-degree temperatures, can I run for mayor around here in Grand Rapids? I'll let you answer that question. It's going to get warmer, though, down the road, but we do have some snowflakes out there right now and some bigger snowflakes in certain locations. Is there a light accumulation on the grass somewhere? Perhaps there is. I haven't seen it here at Fox 17, but as I mentioned on the 6 o'clock show, it's a possibility going into the overnight. I wouldn't expect anything more than a dusting, and it's probably melting, even if you do get that just shortly thereafter. But this is the time of year where we begin to get our first snowflakes climatologically, so right on track. And low pressure over eastern Ontario that will slowly, very slowly work off to the east within the next couple of days. Still in close enough proximity that we're going to have this northwest and westerly flow with cold enough air riding over the waters of Lake Michigan that will have this chance to pick up some scattered sprinkles and flurries, light rain and snow showers overnight tonight through tomorrow night, and into early on Thursday as well. Let's zoom this in and take a look. Obviously, purple means snow, pink or pink or sometimes a different shade of purple can mean a mixture of precipitation or ice, and then rain along the lakeshore. So the modified air mass right along the water line, you get that with the warmer water temperatures keeping you kind of insulated right along the lakeshore. But once you get inland, we've seen temperatures drop off a little bit more so, in the atmosphere colder at a greater depth. That's why there are snowflakes mixing in, and perhaps all snow in some locations. Though here at Fox 17, when it was coming down a little while ago, I did notice a mix of rain and snow. Looks to be the case down to the south across southern Van Buren and those extreme northern portions of perhaps Berrien and Cass counties as well. Temperatures have dipped down, though. There's a lot of breaks in the clouds, if not just downright mostly clear, where it's not precipitating. So pretty much the clouds are associated with any scattered rain and snow showers. Otherwise, the mercury really dipping down now into the lower to mid 30s, and it's going to be the upper 20s to around 30 degrees, I think, for the vast majority of us, except along the immediate lakeshore early on a Wednesday morning. Winds have toned down as well from earlier today. They were westerly today, or west-northwesterly at about 10 to 20, gusting even higher. Right now it's about 5 to 10. Feels like temperatures, though, with us already dropping into the low to mid 30s, folks, any sort of air motion putting those wind chills in the upper 20s. So it is pretty chilly as you step outside. Light lake effect, rain and snow showers or sprinkles and flurries. Nothing much in the way of accumulation, though. Chilly temperatures continuing right on through Wednesday, Thursday, even Friday, upper 40s. It's going to be cool, but thereafter a warming trend does commence. I'll have more on that coming up, and no big storms of rain nor snow right on through the next 7 days. If there is going to be a bigger storm to some extent, it's probably just off this 7-day chart, say later Wednesday into Thursday or Friday of next week. As of right now, nothing too significant, but something to take note of, and we'll have more on that in the days ahead. There's that string of 60-degree temperatures, Max and Doug, around 60 to the lower 60s. So we'll keep an eye on that. And then week 2 of the forecast does trend a little bit cooler, days 8 through 14, but still a hint of mild weather. So we're not going into any outrageously cold air mass dropping out of Canada anytime soon. If that is to occur, there are some hints that maybe it does go colder back half of November into December for a period, but that's so far away, things can change. We'll keep tabs on that. A couple light rain and snow showers here overnight tonight. This is late morning into the early afternoon tomorrow. A little bit better coverage of some of what will be, I think, primarily rain showers at that time. But again, there will be a few breaks for sun as well, sort of like we had today. It won't be an all rain or snow situation tomorrow. And then how about on Sunday? Folks, we're going to be tracking the changing of the clocks earlier in the day. So take a look at this. Saturday night falling back 1 hour. That's actually officially early Sunday morning. I think that goes from 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. Pull it back an hour. A return to Eastern Standard Time, everybody. Sunday, sunrise, 7:25. That'll be earlier. Boy, it's dark now all the way past 8 o'clock at this point. We could use this time change. Sunset at 5:27. And the warm up right on track with that lower 60s early next week.
All right. Thanks for that, Anthony.